So if you have been growing garlic since September, October last year, you should be seeing some weeds popping up around your garlic beds now. And now is a good time to go ahead and pull those weeds out because garlic does not like root competition. It's shallow rooted and it requires a lot of nutrients, so it's a heavy feeder. So anything that would kind of rob it from getting the nutrients that it needs to come out. And usually that is the weeds. So we're just going to weed this area, and there are a lot of weeds. So I have tried to pull them, here and there, but not really just sitting down and giving it some time to get the weeds pulled out. So I think today is a good day. I know that sometimes we don't always have time, and when they're little, I don't think the weeds, that is, when they're little, I don't think they cause that much of an issue, but when they do get bigger, that's when they become more of an issue, and they may be, depriving nutrients to the garlic. So that's what we're just going to do today, just pull out the weeds. Well, you can see how tiny these are, but at the same time, look at this one. It's already flowering. So you know what that means. If it's starting to flower, that means it's going to be producing seeds soon. This is the first time garlic is planted around this area. So I don't have too many here. Yeah, when they're tiny like this, it's hard. At least because the gloves are a little bit bigger. And when you're having to go down, you're getting into the soil. But I have been putting this off for a while now, and I think it's time to do it. Sometimes with these sticks right here, these wood chip sticks, I'll just use it as my little trowel. As I'm going about weeding the areas here, I'm also aerating the garlic beds as well. I don't know how all that works, but intuitively it does make sense to just kind of aerate the soil. I think the plant or the soil just needs to breathe, and it's just better for the plants in general, the garlic that is. I know I'm overdoing it today with my back issue. Prior to this, I was cleaning up other beds, and now I'm feeling the pain, but I just feel like I just have to get this last part done. And please don't do what I'm doing. If you have back issues, please take the time to rest in between. You can always come back tomorrow. Nothing is worth hurting your back for. And I'm saying this, but I'm doing it myself. I guess you just have to know what your body's limit is. After finishing this part, I'll be I'll be stretching and then lying on my, I guess, kind of like my stomach side, so that way I will be lifting up my back as I'm laying there. My back has been feeling good. I've been very proud of myself for keeping up with the exercises. Could be better, but at least I'm doing something. Sometimes I do miss it you know, like for one day, but I try to do it every day as much as I can, even if it's just, you know, doing that Asian squat. All right, we're all done, and I think that took about at least 30 minutes. I know I probably missed some weeds, but that's okay. We'll just get them another time. So I feel so much better now that the weeds have been pulled out for the most part. And I hope this video has motivated you to do the same with your garlic beds, or you know, any weeding that you can do at this time of the season anyway. It doesn't have to be your garlic beds. And yeah, it's just something that we just have to stay on top of. We have to do. I know it can be tedious at you know, at some point when you're pulling weeds over and over again, especially when you have like tiny ones and they're just all over the area. It's not fun to do those. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some of it helpful. And until the next one, I hope you take care. And as always, please, if I left anything out, sometimes I do get nervous when I'm on camera. I'm not sure if I went over certain things, or maybe I'm saying things over and over again, so I apologize ahead of time. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next one, take care. Bye for now.